Hi, now we'll create a simple AMDP class with the ADT. We'll take the sales order number as an input, and based on the sales order number, we'll select data from VBAK and VBAP table in the output. This first AMDP class, so we'll just understand the concept, how to create, and how to consume the AMDP class. So right click on our favorite package, new class. Here give the name Z AMDP01. We can give any name here. Let's say demo AMDP class. Next, select the request, and here we can see the default signature of the class. Okay, now to make this AMDP, first here we need to add the interface, that is if underscore AMDP underscore marker underscore database, that is HDB. This is the first steps. And now for the table output, first I want to define a type structure, and in that I will add the required field details. So here my type structure is begin of TP underscore order and end of TP underscore order, and in between I will select the fields from VBAK and the VBAP tables. The first field I am going to select is VBELN, that is sales order number. Second field is ER date, that is of VBAK ER date. Third field I am going to select is Kunnar, that is the customer ID of type VBAK customer ID, and let's say VKORG of type VBAK VKORG. 4 fields from the VBAK table, and then from the line item table MATNAR, that is for VBAP MATNAR. Second field from the, here the first field will select from MATNAR VBAPS POSTNAR, that is the line item number of type VBAP POSNR, then MATNAR. After that, material text, that is ARKTX. Okay. After the material description, we will select the field KWMench, that is the sales order quantity KWMench, and then I want sales order unit VBAP VR KME. In the last field I will select as the sales order line item value, that is net WR. Okay, so all this field I want to select from the database tables, and here I will declare a table type for this TT underscore order type is standard table of TP underscore order with empty key. Okay, so till now our type declaration is done, and now next we have to add the methods. So here I am creating the instance method get underscore order underscore details, and here we have to add the importing and the exporting details. As pass the value and the first importing parameter, here I am selecting as IMP underscore mandate, that is for client type mandate, and second field here I want as the input is sales order number, that is VBELN. Okay, so I will have those two as a importing parameter, and in the exporting parameter we'll have the table output, that is ET underscore order of type TT underscore order. Okay, now here if you see, the implementation is missing because till now we have done only declaration and we have to add implementation. For that, right click here, just click on this and click on add implementation for get underscore order details. So here we can see by default the signature is open for that implementation part. And now here first, as we have learned, we have to add method get order details. After that, by database procedure, HDB, language, SQL script, options, read only, and using tables which we want to use. And here I am going to use VBAK and VBAP. Okay. Now again see the error. The body of the AMDP cannot be empty. So now we have to write the body here. And on the left hand side, we have to give the table name in which we want the output. Here in this case, we don't use into clause. Okay. We use on the left hand side. So I want to get my data into ET underscore order we have defined here. And now here we have to select all the fields. So I will write select VBAK, VBELN. Then my second field is VBAK dot ERDate. My third field is VBAK dot Kunnar. And fourth field is VBAK dot VK ORG. Okay. Now 4 fields from the VBAK and remaining field from the VBAP. So from the VBAP, first field is POSNR POSNR. Second field is VBAP MATNAR. Then VBAP AR KTX. VBAP KW Bench. And VBAP, so I have to use dot here, VBAP VR KME, and my last field is VBAP dot net WR. Okay, all this field I have to select. Now from VBAK as VBAK, inner join VBAP as VBAP, and the on condition on VBAK dot VBELN equals to VBAP dot VBELN. This is the on condition. And now we will add the where clause. And where, first we have to add the mandate. Okay. So what I will do here, VBAK mandate equals to colon and then IMP underscore mandate. Okay. Here we have to add the colon for the variables. And second field is VBELN equals to colon IMP underscore VBELN. Okay, and we have to end the statement with semicolon. See, this time no error. Let me save this. Check, no errors, and activate. Okay, so our class is activated, that is Z AMDP underscore 01. Fine. So what we have done, first we have defined a type structure. Okay. After that, in that type structure, we have selected the required fields. Then we have defined one internal table. And then we declare one instance method, get order details. After that, we have done the method implementation by database procedure, and we have written all the details. So here, all those field details, here there is no into clause. So all we will get in this table. Okay, so now our class is ready and it is activated. So just check in our EC system once we activate it whether this is created or not. Now I'm into SAP system GUI. this SE24 class name Z AMDP01. Here we can see the properties, demo AMDP class, interface, that is IF underscore AMDP marker, methods, one method which we have created, get order details, and here in the parameters we have mandate VBLN and ET underscore order as the exporting parameter. You can see the type declaration here. Okay, so now our class AMDP class is ready to use. So next what we have to do, we'll create a program and we'll consume this AMDP class from our program. Okay, so next we have to create a program with either SE38 or through this ADT.